friends! It's me, Faith. Let's learn English. Are you ready? That's great! Let's get started. For today's lesson, we're going to read 3-letter words that end with add sound. This is add. Add. So we have the first word, which is CAD. Say the word. That's good. This time, we're going to make the sounds of the letters. We have K, E, D, K, add, K, add, CAD. Your turn. Very good. Now, we're going to read the sentence with this word. I'll do it first. We have do not be a cat. Again, do not be a cat. The whole sentence is do not be a cat. Your turn. Again. Now read the whole sentence. Great job! Our next word is dad. Say the word. That's good. Let's have the sounds of the letters. We have D, E, D, D, add, D, add, dad. Your turn. Well done! This time, we're going to read the sentence with this word. I'll do it first. Her dad is a chef. Again, her dad is a chef. The whole sentence is her dad is a chef. Your turn. Again. Now read the whole sentence. Impressive work! The next word is we have fad. Say the word. Excellent! Now let's make the sounds of the letters. We have F, E, D, Bad. Your turn. This time, we're going to read the sentence with this word. I'll do it first. It was a fad in the 1990s. Again, it was a fad in the 1990s. The whole sentence is, it was a fad in the 1990s. Your turn. Again. Now, read the whole sentence. Bravo! You nailed it! Let's have the next word, which is lad. Say the word. Good job. The sounds of the letters we have d, add, lad. Your turn. This time, we're going to read the sentence with this word. I'll do it first. The lad helps his mom. Again, the lad helps his mom. The whole sentence is, the lad helps his mom. Your turn. Again. Now read the whole sentence. Marvelous work! Let's have the next word, which is pad. Say the word. Good job. The sounds of the letters we have p, a, d, p, add, p, add, pad. Your turn. Very good. This time, we're going to read the sentence with this word. I'll do it first. This is a knee pad. Again. This is a knee pad. The whole sentence is, this is a knee pad. Your turn. Again. The whole sentence is, fantastic! The next word is, we have wad. Say the word. Nice work! The sounds of the letters we have wa, a, d, wa, ed, wa, ed, wad. Your turn. Now let's read the sentence with this word. I'll do it first. The girl has a wad of yarn. Again, the girl has a wad of yarn. The whole sentence is, the girl has a wad of yarn. Your turn. Again. Now read the whole sentence. Great job! As a review, you're going to read the words that will be shown. Thank you for joining me on this English learning journey. I'm excited to have you again next time. Bye-bye!